Still got some noise, so I can't see anything for you guys. Now, can you see? Yes. Uh, yes, to be in your peace of state or state of peace is awesome, you know. Means I'm going once higher level to speak up to you. Like light is coming from upward. So, see. Doesn't matter. No one matters to you. Uh, but other things doesn't matter. So what I'm trying to say, be have your state, means don't get so much stimulus, have zero level of stimulus, gain that natural dopamine. Okay, so if you like do what you don't know, that would make up or pull out your unnecessary dopamine. Your day should start with zero level of dopamine. Should be natural dopamine. It should be increases gradually, not higher, lower. Okay, it should be like grow one by one. I get this because I have watched beautiful videos about it. So, you know, guys, you can also watch good and be the good. So, I wanna tell you one incident. Like in the morning, our IPPL teacher, now IDTL teacher, has asked me, Ankit, don't you do doom scrolling? Do you know doom scrolling? What is this? Yes, me. I said yes. It's watching reels. So I said no, I don't. She was surprised. So even though I watch reel, if I watch reel, why I would say I do? Because everyone has different mindset. So if I do something negative, so why should I tell that I do this negative thing? I spread positivity. That will make me positive, no? So try to understand this. Very, very important. 5 minutes gone to this video. So I told no. I make my feed like for AI and tools, and I only watch for what I want to. I want to. Okay. So go into that state, flow in it. Okay. Just be the good one. Bye bye.